Hello students, I am Monica Soral from ME International School, Nayagaon. Today we will be doing the 7th poem, Animals. First let's see what is this poem about. Now this poem is written by Walt Whitman, who tells frankly that he feels more comfortable at home with animals rather than his fellow human beings. He has lost so much faith in the race of man that he wants to turn and change his position with animals. Human beings have become mad running after material possessions. अब इस पोएम में वो क्या बोल रहे हैं वॉल्ट विटमैन, दैट उनको एनिमल्स के साथ रहना ज़्यादा पसंद है ह्यूमन बींग से अलावा, बिकॉज दीज पीपल दे आर रनिंग फॉर द मटेरियल पोजेशंस. उनको कोई किसी से भी प्यार या मोहब्बत कुछ भी नहीं रही आजकल. दीज पीपल आर जस्ट फाइटिंग फॉर द ग्रीड. They are just back for the greed. They want the things what they want, and animals are not like that. They are not selfish. Animals are not selfish. They are bundle of complications, contradictions and confusions. They are conscious, not clear, so they suffer from nightmares and weep for their sins. अब उनका जो conscious है, जो वो गलती करते हैं, वो रात को जब when they are sleeping, they get the dreams of that, and उन sins की वजह से they just cry. Animals for them nothing is that. They don't do anything, any such sin को जिसके लिए उनको रोना पड़े या उनको पछतावा करना पड़े. दैट थिंग इज नॉट देयर. एंड विद द ह्यूमन बींग्स दिस इज देयर. दे डोंट रन आफ्टर मटेरियल थिंग्स अदर देन देयर फूड. दे डोंट नीड टू वर्शिप गॉड एज दे नेवर सफर फ्रॉम एनी सेंस ऑफ गिल्ट और सिन. एंसेस्टर्स ऑफ ह्यूमन बींग्स शेयर्ड दोज टोकन ऑफ लव एंड अंडरस्टैंडिंग इन द रिमोट पास्ट. अनफॉर्चुनेटली ह्यूमन्स हैव लॉस्ट दोज वर्च्यूज. एनिमल्स अभी तक भी जो उनको सिखाया गया था, जो जैसे ट्रेनिंग दी गई थी ह्यूमन बींग्स द्वारा ही दी गई थी, दे आर स्टिल doing that. But human being, even if they are trained right from the childhood to do the good for the others, they don't do that. They just cry for their greed. They just run for their greed and they don't listen to anyone. This is the difference between the animals. Let's see what next. Now why he is comfortable with animals, he will tell you. The poet wishes that he would switch over his loyalty and faith from human to animals. He wants to live with them and he feels more comfortable in their company. Animals appear to be very peaceful, independent, self-sufficient and self-contained. He is fascinated by them. He stands and looks at them for a long time. देखो animals में loyalty होती है, human beings में they are not loyal to you. They will fight for their greed. They will not understand what the person wants. वो अपनी लोग अपनी चीज़ हमें चाहिए, बस मैं वी वांटेड, और दूसरों की उनको परवाह नहीं करते. बट एनिमल्स डोंट डू दैट. दे आर वेरी सिंसियर टू देयर मास्टर. वो हमेशा उनकी मास्टर के लिए इवन दे विल किल देमसेल्फ, दे विल डाई फॉर देम. बट ह्यूमन बींग्स विल नेवर डू दैट. एनिमल्स डोंट स्वेट एंड वाइन. ह्यूमन बींग्स आर नेवर सेटिस्फाइड विद देयर कंडीशंस. दे आर ऑलवेज डिमांडिंग. एनिमल्स नेवर वरी देमसेल्व्स अबाउट देयर कंडीशन, नॉर दे हैव एनी कंप्लेंट. ह्यूमन बींग को हमेशा कंप्लेंट रहती है कि हमारा ये नहीं है, वो नहीं है. बट एनिमल्स, they are satisfied with everything. They just want their food, water, and they are roaming in here and there. But for human beings, they are just crying for their wants. Every time they are greedy about something or the other. And they have clear conscience. They enjoy a sound sleep at night. They never have to weep for their sins. On the other hand, humans suffer from the guilt. Human being को हमेशा अपनी guilty के लिए रोना पड़ता है, पछताना पड़ता है. But for animals, no. They are just sleep sound sleep. They are not. They don't get up with the nightmares. They are not afraid of anything. They are just free and they enjoy their life. Next. Human beings always shed tears and faith and duty of God, such presentation and false worship. झूठी जो भगवान की बातें करते हैं, पूजा पाठ करते हैं, all this is rubbish. They are just do the show off. They just want to show the world that they are very good, but from inside they are not. They are just pretending to be good. But animals कोई pretend नहीं करते, वो जैसे हैं they are just like that. So the poet thinks that way. Animals don't suffer from mania of owning things. The poet doesn't find even a single animal that may appear to dissatisfied. The animals, जो भी animals के पास होता है वो उससे satisfied होते हैं. But human being, he is never satisfied with what he has. उसके पास सब कुछ होगा, then also he cries for more and more. But animals, they don't do that. Whatever they have, they are satisfied with that. And no respect to ancestors. Animals show respect to the kneeling. Animals हमेशा अपने जो ancestors हैं, उनके जो senior जो हैं, बड़े जो animals होते हैं, उनको respect दिखाते हैं. But human being, they never show the respect to the ancestors, they just throw them out. Whatever they have taught them, the elders and all, they just talk rubbish to them, they talk rotten, they give them bad words and all such things. But animals ऐसे नहीं होते, they are just whatever the master wants them, they do it for him. I told you first only that they can even die for the master because they are just dedicated to him. But human beings are not that way. And poet accepts animals. Animals are straightforward. They show their relationship to the poet. The poet responds to them positively. He expects them as they are. They have retained all these virtues from the ancestors. उन्होंने अपने ancestors से ये सीखा है, token of love, कि कैसे किसी से उनको care करना, उनके love करना, because they are looking after you. आप उसकी care कर रहे हो तो वो भी आपकी care करेगा. But human beings, even though you are caring for someone, but they will not bother and they will just fight with you. They will for the greed, because he wants to fulfill the greed. And this is what the poet finds the poet finds the difference between the animal and the human beings. Thank you.